Hello everyone. So today we would be learning Go. We are starting a new series. So why Go? So as you can see, Go is an open source programming language supported by Google. It is recently has been adopted by TypeScript compiler and the Microsoft team have seen a drastic improvement, somewhat around 10x. So yeah, it has built-in concurrency. There are some standard libraries that you can use, and it it has a large ecosystem. There are varied people in the community that are actually developing some plugins, libraries, and a built-in community around it. So to get started, we could straight away go to the download tab. That is go.dev/dl. Select any of the version that you want. Over here, I'm using Windows. So I'd be going ahead and downloading the MSI. And if you are in Mac, you can download the Apple macOS ARM version. And if you're in Linux, you can go ahead with Linux. Uh, yeah, let's go ahead.